Hello, I want to show you a new DIA feature. So they recently launched a skills gallery. There are only a few here at the moment. I didn't find anything revolutionary yet, but this is a place where you can come back to and look for interesting ideas. Maybe take something and use it as it is, or uh, build something on top of what is there. Uh, what I did try this morning is one that gives me a daily update. So, using that as an example, I will show you how to uh, use a DR skill. Um, I would maybe I'm missing this somehow, but I don't see a way to copy this into my DR browser, right? So that's there should be a one-click option to copy this and start using. That's what I'm saying. But as of now, this is what you do. Uh, Go to the new tab and then select new skill. Then you come back and make sure that you copy only this bit, the trigger. And remember, it doesn't have to be it doesn't have to be the same trigger that is there in the skills gallery. I'm just using morning as an example. Here I could just say mo and then mm, make dia do its thing. uh, so and I paste it and I click, and that's saved. Right, yeah, every time I go back from this tab, it seems to be coming all the way up. That got me confused there a bit. So go to the skills page, copy the trigger, make the changes, and copy the prompt. Same thing goes for the prompt as well. You can customize this. Now if I come here and then say morning and hit enter, it's gonna do its thing. It says thinking. It's picking up weather for my location. It knows my location. It's giving me high and low, humidity, latest snow. So yeah, it's picking up news from Axios. I might want news from my local newspaper or my favorite newspaper for that matter. And then there's trivia kind of a thing that they've added. I could actually customize this to say, hey, show this from an Indian newspaper, because I'm in India. Maybe instead of this day in history, I might have something else that I want to see. Um, yeah, make those changes. Just click the tick mark here and then run it from your new tab page, and you have your morning brief. And I hope at some point TIA will give me an option to trigger some of these based on rules. So, the first time I open DIA for the day, show me this morning routine, show me the news, weather, and those kind of updates. I could even set up something that will show me financial data. If I'm tracking some stocks, I could add that here and then include that in my morning uh, summary. Right, so that's how you take a skill from DIA's skill gallery and use it on your DIA browser. All right, thanks for watching.